Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our gateway to Arabic channel. With me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, I thought it's about time to teach you how to say sorry for not doing enough homework and for not learning your vocabulary. To do this, I'm going to employ three different root letters. The first one is Hamza, Sin, and Fa. Asifa, Ya'safu. And that is a verb to regret something, to be sorry in a sense. So you will say, Ana asifun, a man speaking. A woman will say, Ana asifatun. And that means, I am sorry, simply. I am sorry. Ana asifun, a man speaking. Ana asifatun, a woman speaking. We can extend that by adding something else, such as Ana asifun ala iz'ajik. أنا آسفة على إزعاجك. I am sorry to bother you. على إزعاجك. أنا آسف على إزعاجك. A man speaking. أنا آسفة على إزعاجك. A woman speaking. I am sorry to bother you. Okay. Next one, you can say, use it the noun kind of. You can say, أنا متأسف. A man speaking. أنا متأسف. And that is active participle. اسم فاعل. أنا متأسف. I am sorry. A woman will say, أنا متأسفة. I am sorry. If you are generous, you can say, oh, لا تأسف. نحن إخوة. لا تأسف. نحن إخوة. Do not be sorry. We are brothers and sisters. لا تأسف. Speaking to a man. To a woman, you say, لا تأسفي. لا تأسفي. Don't say sorry. There's no need. Okay. Another way to express a sense of regret is based on the following three letters: Sin, Mim, and Ha. In the third form, Samaha, Yusamihu. Samaha, Yusamihu, Musamahatun. And that is a verb to be tolerant, to be kind. Samaha. So you will say, Samihni, speaking to a man. Samihni, forgive me, pardon me. Samihni, pardon me. If you're speaking to a woman, you say, Samihini, pardon me, forgive me. Okay. Another way to do that, you can use the noun, saying, Arju منك المسامحة. أرجو منك المسامحة. I beg your pardon. Please forgive me. I beg your pardon. أرجو منك, speaking to a man. أرجو منك, speaking to a woman. أرجو منك المسامحة. I beg your pardon, please. Okay. Be generous. You can say in response, أو أنا مسامحك كليا. أنا مسامحك كليا. I forgive you completely or totally. أنا مسامحك, speaking to a man, or أنا مسامحك, speaking to a woman, كليا. I forgive you completely, totally. Right. Let's now move to the third root letter. through which we can express sense of regret as well. And that's coming from the root letter Ain, Dal, and Ra. Here we use it in the 8th form. اعتذر, يعتذر, اعتذار is the noun. Okay, shall we use it? Let's go. So we can say أعتذر إليك or أعتذر لك. You can say it both ways. أعتذر لك or أعتذر إليك. Speaking to a woman, you say أعتذر إليك or أعتذر لك. And that's me, I apologize to you. And that is verb to apologize. أعتذر إليك أعتذر لك. I apologize to you. Okay. Or simply say معذرة. معذرة. That means sorry. معذرة. Sorry. معذرة. Okay. Or you can use it in form 10. أستعذرك, speaking to a man. أستعذرك, speaking to a woman. And that means, I beg your pardon. أستعذرك, أستعذرك, I beg your pardon. Okay. Another one, still using the same root. You can say, أرجو أن تلتمس لي العذر. أرجو أن تلتمس لي العذر. Please try and find excuse for me for my behavior. Forgive me. Anything, just I wasn't thinking straight. أرجو أن تلتمس لي العذر. أرجو أن تلتمس لي العذر. Okay. Another one, still using the same root. I can say أرجو أن تتقبل اعتذاري. أرجو أن تتقبل اعتذاري. So أرجو, I say I hope, I wish, I urge you, all these kind of things. أرجو, or simply please accept my sincere apology. أرجو أن تتقبل صادق اعتذاري. صادق means sincere. أرجو أن تتقبل صادق اعتذاري. أرجو أن تتقبل صادق اعتذاري. Please accept my sincere apology. Okay. Well, response, you can say أقدر اعتذارك الصادق. أقدر, that means I appreciate اعتذارك الصادق, your sincere apology. لا حاجة للاعتذار. لا حاجة للاعتذار على الإطلاق. لا حاجة للاعتذار على الإطلاق. There's no need to apologize at all على الإطلاق. لا حاجة للاعتذار على الإطلاق. Okay. Another one, you can say لا تؤاخذني بما صدر مني. لا تؤاخذني بما صدر مني. That means please overlook my wrongdoing and do not blame me for what I have done. لا تؤاخذني. That means please overlook my mistakes, my behavior. لا تؤاخذني بما صدر مني. Then you can extend it by saying لم أفعل هذا عن قصد. لم أفعل هذا عن قصد. That means I did not do this on purpose. No, it was during one of those things. لم أفعل هذا or ذلك, if you like. I didn't do that عن قصد, on purpose. Okay. As a generous person, just say لا تقلق على ما حصل. لا تقلق على ما حصل. Don't worry about what happened. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. لا تقلق, speaking to a man. If you're speaking to a woman, you say لا تقلقي. Don't worry. على ما حصل. Don't worry about what happened. اعتبر الأمر منسيا. اعتبر الأمر منسيا. Don't worry. Consider the matter closed and forgotten. اعتبر, speaking to the man. To the woman, you say اعتبري الأمر منسيا. Consider the matter closed and forgotten. Here we are. Those of you who do not do your homework, if a man, I'm generous, I will say لا تقلق. اعتبر الأمر منسيا. Don't worry about it. And just do better in the future. Here we are. Another set of phrases to apologize. Now you know how to send me a message to apologize for not accomplished your homework. All right then, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so, please do. And those of you who have ability to do so, please consider making a donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. We are trying desperately to build an educational resource center in my hometown for the children who are in need of it. Please help if you can. For those of you who have done so, I appreciate that. And shukran jazilan. شكر الله لكم وأحسن الله إليكم وأدخل سرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة، إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.